Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David and I am an official lawyer inscribed in the Bar Association of the city of Milano in North Italy. We specialize in immigration services and today I want to introduce you our services for American citizens. American passport is probably the best passport in the world, and actually for you immigrating a beautiful European country is actually really kind of easy, but only if you have a good lawyer. Immigration process, it's kind of driving a boat. You need a captain driving you safely, properly. You need to know the direction where you're going. If your captain is not driving you properly, you're not gonna get it. The Italian consulate abroad are kind of very restrictive in issues visa, but we have more than 15 years of experience. As you can see from my YouTube channel, we have more than 100k subscribers, and we have been working with East European countries for many years. Those countries are very difficult for immigration. Our accountant, they all speak in English, so we can provide, technically speaking, very good services in English and help you to relocate to Italy. Where today I want to stop for a little all this boat riding, so I think your impression of how the immigration process is pretty much clear. So it's not that easy, you need to coordinate both hands, left and right. And I would like to introduce you to some of the basic immigration methods that actually worked in our career for American citizens. First, probably, and the most requested immigration type and a residency permit is elective resident. So this is case pretty much often common for American citizens. So it's when you have a passive income, so you can demonstrate to Italian governments that you have enough economic means to sustain yourself without working. Italy is pretty much happy to help you to make this relocation process. The thing you have to show to Italian government in this case is that you have more than 32,000 euros, which is approximately $35,000 per year of passive income. Passive income have to be specifically passive, so it's not unemployment. It should be some bonds, some dividends, maybe some real estate profits or rents that you are getting from whatever source anywhere in the world. If you demonstrate to Italy per person that you have this 32,000 euros per year and you can avoid working in Italy, Italy is pretty much happy to grant you a very good residency permit for 1 year. We can guarantee you all the paperwork in United States, New York or whatever state you need. We can guarantee the application through the Italian consulate by making the reservation, the application, etc., filling up all the forms. And we make sure that when you come in Italy, we help you also with applying to the residency permit, actually getting residency permit on hand. Consider that pretty much the cost of a relocation for one person is about 10,000 euros. We can add this so many other persons, relatives, etc. Consider that always, as in America, the same is in Italy. You can make the family reunion whenever you apply, pretty much for every kind of residential visa, etc. The visa you want to apply for is absolutely visa type D, as David, my name, so you will not forget this. And this is one of the most and best residency permit. There is one trick here, probably I should talk 1 hour about that, but this residency permit do not grant you the possibility to work in Italy. You're thinking this is a minus. No, actually it's a gigantic plus. It's a big advantage. You know why? Because basically you don't have to pay taxes in Italy. So we have, as I said at the beginning, many accountants. We can help you to do your tax planning in Italy. In Italy there are very good tax planning for new residents. So definitely you should probably book or with me or my accountant a consultation today to understand which is the best way for you to relocate and how you will manage it at the end of the day, the taxes. So one more time, Residenza Elettiva, elective residence. This is a very good method for relocation in Italy. 2k euros per year or more. This is gonna work. The law says plus 20% per wife or husband and plus 5% for each minor kid. Minor in Italy means under 18 years old. There is a second category of relocation, which is the self-employment. As everywhere in Italy, we have self-employed people. Italy will look at this more properly, more precisely, because they're gonna grant you the possibility to work. The basic of this immigration method that you need quotas. We can explain you properly when we have quota reserved for this kind of immigration or not. Usually around March, April of each year, we have some thousands of quotas that come out, so we can catch one of those for you. And we have to demonstrate that you have been working before in the United States as a self-employed person, as a freelancer. So if you are a designer, if you are a consultant, if you are a business manager, whatsoever, you are not employed, but you work for yourself, you have, for example, a VAT number open, that's perfect immigration method for you. There is a third type of immigration in Italy, which is studying. This is pretty much common and welcome method of immigration in Italy. As a student, you can, by the way, work 20 hours per week, which is half normal time of working, which is 40 hours per week in Italy. We can provide you with selection of the good university. Select the university which have an admission test or not. We can, in some cases, even grant you the grant by going to these colleges or universities. So this is a very good method. And only with a specialized lawyer as our law firm, I can guarantee you that if you get your residency permit for studying, after you finish the study, you can stay in Italy, continue, open your VAT number or open your business. We specialize in all services that require our clients by immigrating to Italy, so I definitely can help you with all the methods, all the consequences. A very important topic I'm gonna add it here at the end. We're not only granting you the immigration services. So we grant you the financial pathology. We can find for you medical insurance. By the way, medical insurance in Italy is free as soon as you get the residency permit. We can help you to rent the apartment. We can even find the apartment for this kind of very long process. It takes some specific requirement for you, but basically we can do that. We already work with that many times. Any question you have, please feel free to comment. It's absolutely free. Any question you want to make to me properly, just write my WhatsApp number, which will be indicated in the description section of the video. I really would appreciate if you're gonna put a like to this video. Please subscribe to be always updated about new videos on my channel. Thank you for your watching.